In Dhruva's line there was a king named Anga. Anga was religious and followed the righteous path. But unfortunately, Anga's son Veena inherited none of the good qualities of his father. Veena's mother was Sunitha and she happened to be the daughter of Mrityu. Mrityu was notorious for his evil ways and deeds. Veena spent a lot of time with his maternal grandfather and picked up these evil characteristics. Veena gave up the religion that was laid down in the Vedas and stopped all yajnas. He instructed his subjects that he alone was to be worshipped. The sages led by Marichi came to Veena to try and persuade him to mend his ways. But Veena was in no mood to listen. He insisted that there was no one equal to him in the whole universe. The sages realized that Veena was a lost cause. They physically caught hold of Veena and began to knead his right thigh. From this kneading there emerged a horrible-looking creature. It was a dwarf and its complexion was extremely dark. The sage Atri was so aghast at the dwarf's appearance that he blurted out, Nishida, which means, sit. From this, the dwarf came to be known as Nishada. The race of Nishadas became hunters and fishermen, and lived in the Vindhya mountains. From them were also descended uncivilized races like Tusharas and Tunduras. The evil that was in Veena's body and mind came out with the emergence of the Nishada when the sages began to knead Veena's right arm. Prithvi emerged. He shone like a flaming fire, and his energy lit up the four directions. He held a bow in his hand and he was clad in beautiful armor. As soon as Prithvi was born, Veena died. All the rivers and the oceans arrived with their waters and their jewels to anoint Prithvi as the king. The gods and the sages also came for the coronation. Brahma himself crowned Prithvi the king of the earth. He also took the opportunity to apportion out the lordships of other parts of the universe. Soma was appointed lord over creepers, herbs, stars, nakshatras, planets, grahas, sacrifices, meditation, tapasya, and over the first of the four classes, brahmanas. Varuna became lord of the ocean,